Hello everyone, welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College, and students of 5th standard are welcome to my YouTube channel. Now students, we are going to start with the subject Maths, chapter number 4, Multiplication and Division. I have already uploaded the examples which I have taught from the textbook from page number 15 and page number 16. Example number 1, example number 2 and example number 3. Now today onwards we are going to start with problem set number 14, which is on page number 16. In this video I will be doing question number 1 multiply, the first sum, the second sum, the third and the fourth sum. So students, as you can see it on the blackboard, we are going to start with lesson number 4, multiplication and division, problem set number 14, which is on textbook page number 16. Let's start writing question number 1, multiply. As you can see it over there is rough work. To the right hand side in your classwork book, always maintain and always keep an habit of having the rough work column at the end of the page. The first question is 327 into 92. 327 into 92. Okay, we will first calculate with the units and then with the tens. Now we are not going to calculate and I am not going to draw lines for units and tens. Now it is taken for consideration. You should always keep in mind that this side is called as units and the next number is called as tens. Now in the 4th standard you have already studied about this. Now this time we are going to study with the third 3 digits multiplication. So let's start. 327 cross sign means multiplication sign, 92. First we are going to calculate with 2 sevens are 2 twos are 2 threes are. This 2 is standing in the place of the units. So first let's calculate. 2 sevens are 14. 1 carried up, 4 written down. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1 5. See the numbers one below the other. Nowhere you have to write. 2 threes are 6. Below 3. So 3, 2, 7. 7 twos are 14. 2 twos are 4. Plus 1 becomes 5. 2 threes are 6. Now we are going to calculate with number 9. Why 9? Because this is coming in the tens place. So we have to write it over here 0. This 0 means it is coming in the tens place. 9 sevens are 63. Now this 63, where are you going to write? You are going to write 3 down and 6 has to be carried up. 9 twos are 18 plus 6 becomes 24. So 2 will be carried up, 4 will be returned down. 9 threes are 27. 27 plus 2 becomes 29. Now this you have to add. In multiplication, every time there is one more sign which is called as addition. Here you have to add. Now let's add. After this you can erase the carry forwards. There is no need now. We have done the carry forward. We have also added those carry forwards. Now 4 plus 0 becomes 4. 5 plus 3 becomes 8. 6 plus 4 becomes 10. 9 plus 1 becomes 10 and 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So how are you going to write? You are going to write as 3,84,000. This 2 answer we have calculated and we got the answer as 654. We have calculated with 9, that is called as 90. We have got the answer as 29,430. Then we are going to add the units and the tens together to get this answer. Now this is number 1. Multiply 327 into 92 from problem set number 14. Now let's see problem set number 14. Second sum, that is 807 into 126. Now this is 3 digits number. This is 2 digits. Now let's calculate the 3 digits number. Now students, as you can see, problem set number 14, second sum is 807 into 126. Now as you can see it, I have already written 807 into 126. This 126 is of 3 digits number. Now let's first calculate with 6. 6 sevens are, 6 zeros are, 6 eights are. Why 6? Because this is coming in the units place. Then afterwards we are going to multiply with 2. That is coming in the tens place. Then we are going to calculate with number 1, which is coming in the hundreds place. So let's get first multiplication of 6 sevens are. Now you should be knowing your tables very well. So 6 sevens are becomes 42. So 4 will be carried up, 2 will be returned down. 6 zeros are becomes 0 plus 4, this will come as it is. 6 zeros are 0, there is no value. So we are going to directly write 4 here, carried down. 6 eights are, that becomes 48. So 4 and 8 will be written here. Now this calculation is only for the units place, which is number 6. Now we are going to do the calculation for number 2, which is coming in the tens place. So 2 sevens are, it becomes 14. 1 will be carried up, 4 will be returned down. Again 2 zeros are 0 plus 1. Then 2 eights are 16. 1, 6. You have to have this signature plus sign because we are going to add those. Now the last number is number 1, which is coming, which is standing in the place of hundreds. Okay. So how many zeros here? 1. This is units. This is tens. And now we are going to calculate with 1, which is coming in the hundreds place. 1 sevens are 7, 1 zeros are 0, 1 eights are 8. Again plus signature. Then we are going to add all this. 2, 0 plus 0, that becomes 2. 4 plus 4 plus 0 becomes 8. 8 plus 1 becomes 9. 9 plus 7 becomes, that becomes 16. So 6 will be written here, 1 will be carried up. 4 plus 6 becomes 10. 10 plus 1 becomes 11. 1 carried up. 8 plus 1 becomes 9. 9 plus 1 becomes 10. So your answer will be 10,16,082. So first we have done the calculation for 6, which is in units place. We got the answer as 48,042. Then we have added, multiplied with 2, that is in coming in the tens place. We got the answer as 16,140. Then we have multiplied with 1, which is coming in the hundreds place. We got the answer as 80,700. We have added with units, with tens and with hundreds. At last we get the final answer. Now students, let's have the third sum. Third sum is 567 into 890. Let's start calculating. This is 567. Cross sign means multiplication sign, into 890. First, we are going to do the calculation for 0. This is units place. 0 sevens are 0. 0 6 are 0. 0 5s are 0. Okay. Now let's do a calculation with the tens place. That is 9 sevens are 9 6 are 9 5 are. But as it is standing in which place? Place value of tens. That is why first we are going to do 0 over here. Then 9 sevens are, it becomes 63. So we are going to write 6 up, 3 down. 6 is carried up. 9 6 are, it becomes 54. 54 plus 6, it becomes 60. 6 here, 0 carried down. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 6 becomes 51. Now we are going to do the calculation for 8, which is standing in the hundreds place. So how many zeros? 2 0. This is units 0. This is tens ka 0. And now we are going to do the calculation for 8, which is in hundreds place. So 8, it becomes 56. As I have told you, there is no need of the carry forwards here. As soon as you finish, you can erase it out. 8 sevens are, it becomes 56. So 5 carried up, 6 returned down. Then 8 6 are, it becomes as 48. 48 plus 5, it becomes
53.
3. So again 5 carried up, 3 returned down. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 5 becomes 45. Addition. Now let's do the addition. 0 plus 3 plus 0, 3, 0 plus 0 plus 6 becomes 6, 1 plus 3 becomes 4, 5 plus 5 becomes 10, 1 carried up, 0 written down, 4 plus 1 becomes 5. Okay, let's see the answer. As you know it, 0, answer will be 0. Then we are doing with 9, that is called as 90, which is coming in the tens place. We get the answer as 51,030. Then we are doing the calculation with hundreds. So 8 answers will be 4,53,600. Then we are going to calculate units, then tens, and then hundreds, and then we get the answer. I hope so you have understood. Let's start with the fourth sum, that is 4,317 into 824. Now this is 4 digits number. We have seen the units, the tens, the hundreds also. Now let's see about the thousands. So students, we are going to do the fourth sum, that is 4,317 into 824. Okay. So let's start calculating. First we are going to write 4,317 multiplied by 824. Okay. Now 7 4s are, that becomes 28. 4 1s are 4 plus 2 becomes 6. 4 3s are 12. 1 carried up, 2 written down. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1 becomes 17. Now this 4 was in the units place. Now we are going to do the calculation for tens place. Which number is in the tens place? Number 2. So 2 7s are becomes 14. Before that we have to erase this out. Okay. 2 7s are 14. 1 will be carried up. 4 will be returned down. 2 1s are 2. Plus 1 becomes 3. 2 3s are becomes 6. And 2 4s are becomes 8. You can see one below the other the numbers have been written. Now we are going to do the calculation for 8. 8 is in which place? 8 is in hundreds place. So how many zeros? 2 zeros. This is units. This is tens. Now 8 7s are, it becomes as 56. Right everyone? So we are going to write 5 over here. 6 we are going to write it over here. 8 1s are 8 plus 5. It becomes 13. So 1 will be carried here. 3 will be returned down. Now 8 3s are, it becomes 24. 24 plus 1 becomes 25. 2 carried, 5 returned down. And 8 4s are, it becomes 32. 32 plus 2 becomes 34. We are going to do addition, right everyone? Now let's start with the addition. The addition procedure. 8 plus 0 plus 0 becomes 8. 6 plus 4 becomes 10. So 1 will be carried here, 0 will be written down. Now 2 plus 3 becomes 5. 5 plus 6 becomes 11. 11 plus 1 becomes 12. 2. Now 7 plus 6 becomes 13. 13 plus 3 becomes 16. 16 plus 1 becomes 17. Now 1 plus 8 becomes 9. 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 becomes 14. 14 plus 1 becomes 15. 1 carried up, 5 written down. 4 plus 1 becomes 5 and there is no other value, no other number. So we are going to write it as 3. Okay, the answer is 35,57,208. This is number 8. Okay, we have multiplied 4. The answer was 17,268. Then we have multiplied with 2. The answer came as 86,340. Then we have multiplied with 8. So the answer had come 34,53,600. Then we have calculated, we have added units, tens and hundreds. And last we got the final 5,57,208. Now this is the fourth sum. All the students, you are kindly requested to please see to it that you learn and by heart your tables from table number 1 to table number 10 and from tables 11 to 20. All the tables are very much necessary for this lesson, lesson number 4, multiplication and division. We have just completed 4 sums. In the next video, I will be uploading the next 4 sums, students. Okay, please keep on practicing either in your homework book or in the rough note book. Thank you everyone.